Hey everybody, it's Brian Field at Tucson Future Classics. Today we have a 2007 Lexus LS 460 with about 95, close to 96,000 miles on it. Let's just dive right in. So coming around the corner here, it's just a bad touch-up. That should be easily remedied by a paint professional. Just another little cosmetic thing there that needs to be treated. Tires are all 2022 date codes. They are Reputation Luxury Touring 18-inch tires. The wheels are all in great shape. I love this style of wheel. No curb checking at all. You just caught me in a lie. Little tiny bit of curb checking right there. I'd say these tires are about 80%. The paint is real good. It does have some flaws, but shines real nice in the sun. There's a couple more little scratches here. And here's a little ding behind here. Here's another one here that should come out with a clay bar, hopefully. These will not buff. Here's another little ding here that we could probably get taken care of by our paintless dent guy. But for an 18-year-old luxury vehicle, it's in great shape cosmetically. We just restored the headlights and put clear coat on them, so they should be good for a good long time in the Tucson sun or wherever you happen to be. Get a look at the hood. It's really nice and shiny. No chips or cracks in the windshield, and all the rest of the glass is in really great shape too. Now we'll step inside. All right, so as you prepare to enter the car, you notice that it's got keyless entry on all four doors, which is nice. You will notice that the door handle / armrest on the driver's side door card is worn. Look out there, dog. Look out, chef. Okay, as we sit down here, you will see that we have 3 different saved seating positions. And not only is that seating, that is mirror position, steering wheel position, as it is power. And also your shoulder belt position, which is power. On the left of the steering wheel, you've got your automatic folding mirror option. You've got your mirror position, trunk opener, your fuel door opener, your parking assistance, your heated steering. There's a little tiny cubby here, I guess, for change. Your dash is a little bit sticky, which is also a known problem for this generation of Toyota and Lexus products. We will throw in a dash mat, which is always a good idea in the desert anyway. Toyota and Lexus navigation was actually pretty good back then, and it still, still works. It's a little clunky, it's no Google Maps, but if you would like to just kind of see your geography as you're driving around, it's kind of nice to have the map there. You've got heated and ventilated seats and a power rear shade. Pretty standard luxury stuff for back in the day. You've got controls for the rear seat heaters. So if you got kids back there and they're messing with the buttons and you don't want them to anymore, you can just shut it off, turn it on as needed. Cup holders, ashtray that's never been used, glove box with your manual and all the original documentation. Up top, you got your auto dimming mirror, sunglasses holder, garage door openers, and light controls. That's your tilt for the sunroof. And then coming around to sit in the back seat here, you got your big laptop holder there. Seats are in really good condition. None of the compromise in the perforated inserts that you have in the front. Plenty of room for a rear passenger. It is rear wheel drive, so you do have the drive shaft tunnel. Flip up armrest if you only have 2 passengers. You've got controls for the heated seats, not ventilated in the back, just heated, as well as the shade if the passenger needs or wants shade. Cup holders here, and then a pass through to the trunk if you need it for long stuff. And that shuts easily, and it is lockable in case you valet the car. You've got extra vents for heating and cooling in the back seat, as well as mirrors up top. All right, so here's the trunk. Not sure if you can see it, but it's a big trunk, and it does have that pass-through for any long items that you need to push through to the cabin. It is power open and close, which is nice. Checking under the hood here, this is a 4.6 liter V8 from Lexus. Puts out 380 horsepower, 367 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in about 5.4 seconds. All right, let's get some driving impressions here. Go over some bumps. Not much rattle to speak of. Acceleration is nice and smooth. These are not designed to be a dramatic car. So if you're doing any kind of evasive maneuver, or you need to accelerate quickly to get around somebody or something or something in the road, it's not really going to be any drama to it. And extremely comfortable. Got the ventilated seat going here. Got the AC set at 75. Let's do a little pull here. Even when it gets up to 6,500 RPMs, it doesn't feel like it's working really hard at all. It's a really nice sounding engine note. It just absorbs the bumps. A little bit of a body rattle I can hear. These front struts were replaced in July of 2024, so they might need to be tightened down or adjusted. We'll take a look at it. It's just so comfortable. Let's do one more pull. A little downshift for you. Anyway, that's that. This should be all the information you need to decide whether or not you want to come and take a look at it. So hopefully this has been educational for you. We are appointment only, so please call or text 520-268-6244 to schedule an appointment, or if you have any other questions. To see our listing with a bunch of pictures and free Carfax, as well as our entire inventory of similarly awesome cars, go to www.tucsonfutureclassics.com.
I'm flying!